Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about whether or not DSers works with Shein. This is a question that I've been getting a lot lately, and I'm happy to finally be able to answer it for you. Before I get into the details, I want to take a moment to talk about what DSers is. DSers is a dropshipping platform that allows you to sell products on your own website without having to carry any inventory. This is a great way to start an online business without having to invest a lot of money. Now, let's get back to the question at hand. Does DSers work with Shein? The answer is yes. DSers has a partnership with Shein, which means that you can use their platform to sell Shein products on your website. This is a great opportunity for dropshippers who want to sell popular and trendy products. Shein is one of the largest online retailers in the world, and they offer a wide variety of products at affordable prices. Benefits of using DSers with Shein. There are a number of benefits to using DSers with Shein. Here are a few of the most important. Easy to use. DSers is a very user-friendly platform. It's easy to set up your account and start selling products. Large selection of products. Shein offers a huge selection of products, so you're sure to find something that your customers will love. Affordable prices. Shein offers competitive prices, which means that you can make a profit on your sales. Fast shipping. Shein offers fast shipping, which means that your customers will receive their orders quickly. How to use DSers with Shein. If you're interested in using DSers with Shein, here are the steps you need to follow. Create a DSers account. Connect your DSers account to your Shein account. Import products from Shein to your DSers store. Set your pricing and shipping information. Start selling Shein products on your website. Tips for using DSers with Shein. Here are a few tips for using DSers with Shein. Choose the right products to sell. Not all Shein products are suitable for dropshipping. Be sure to choose products that are in high demand and have good profit margins. Set your prices carefully. You need to set your prices high enough to make a profit, but not so high that you scare away customers. Promote your products. Once you have your products listed on your website, you need to promote them to attract customers. Provide excellent customer service. It's important to provide excellent customer service to your customers. This will help you build trust and repeat business. DSers is a great way to start selling Shein products on your website. It's easy to use, and it offers a wide variety of products at affordable prices. If you're looking for a way to make money online, I highly recommend using DSers with Shein.